Imagine transforming your home into a sanctuary where every corner breathes balance and every arrangement spells tranquility. This journey isn't just about moving furniture around, it's an introspective look into the art and science of creating positive energy flows. From decluttering like a Feng Shui superhero to ensuring your furniture enhances rather than blocks good energy. We've got a myriad of tips to elevate your home into a realm of calm and positivity. Curious to know how a simple rearrangement or a well-placed mirror can open the doors to good fortune? Well, let's unlock the secrets of Feng Shui. 1. Neat, clean, tidy and uncluttered. Maintaining a neat, clean and clutter-free home is paramount for fostering good Feng Shui, ensuring a harmonious, positive energy flow. A cluttered environment obstructs the natural flow of qi, leading to heightened stress levels and disturbance in your energy balance. The front door area of your home holds particular significance in Feng Shui, as it serves as the primary point for attracting qi. When your entrance is clean, vibrant and welcoming, it ensures a higher quality of life energy for you and your household. But here's the secret weapon: decluttering, which is not just about tossing out the unnecessary, but also letting positive energy flow freely. This getting rid of unnecessary stuff in your house is the most effective way to bring a flow of positivity into your life. 2. Keeping everything dust-free. According to Feng Shui, dust isn't just a nuisance, it's like a sponge soaking up all the bad energy, arguments, stress, and sleepless nights. Hence, keeping things dust-free isn't just a cleaning routine, it's your superhero cape against negative qi. So, grab that microfiber cloth and become the dust-busting maestro. But we're not stopping at the obvious spots. You should also dust those hidden areas like cupboards, shelves, and door tracks. Thorough dusting is like a magic wand, waving away all the unwanted negative energy. This is a spiritual cleanse for your home. By keeping everything dust-free, you're basically inviting positivity, happiness, and prosperity to set up shop in your place. It's like rolling out the red carpet for good energy, aligning your home with the remarkable principles of Feng Shui. 3. Entry is not blocked. Open the doors with ease. In Feng Shui, the main entrance should be kept wide open. No furniture or random objects should block this path, ensuring that all those doors swing freely, ready to welcome all the positive opportunities life offers. Clear the clutter around the main entry, as a clutter-free pathway is your secret handshake with good energy, ensuring a smooth transition from the outside world to your cozy abode. And if a wall or staircase is causing an obstruction within 6 feet of your entrance, hang a faceted Feng Shui crystal ball. This is like giving your energy flow a turbo boost by redirecting obstacles. By keeping the entryway unblocked and spick and span, you're basically inviting prosperity and positive energy to party in your home. 4. Lighting the foyer. The foyer, or rather the hallway, serves as a protective transition into your private space. And its design significantly influences the flow of energy, or qi, into your home. A well-lit entry hall invites positive energy, attracting good health, happiness, and prosperity. To light the foyer, you must install a flush mount ceiling fixture or a pendant light, ensuring it doesn't obstruct even the tallest guest. Consider options like recessed lights or wall sconces to brighten the space and invite positive qi. If you're facing a wall when you enter, hang a mirror on it, as it symbolizes the feeling of being up against a barrier. By aligning your lighting and decor with Feng Shui principles, you're basically inviting prosperity to make a grand entrance into your home. 5. The front door does not directly lead to the back door. Feng Shui is all about keeping energy flowing, but not too fast. The alignment of your home's front and back doors should be carefully considered to avoid creating a direct path for energy, known as shaji. Direct alignment of 2 or more doors, or aligning a door with a large window, is believed to create a harsh quality of Feng Shui energy, causing it to exit the space swiftly. A well-designed Feng Shui floor plan aims to keep and nourish incoming energy in a meandering pattern, preventing it from quickly rushing through aligned doors. Now, if you find yourself in a door alignment situation, don't panic. Just place furniture or a screen in the path to slow down that energy flow. If you're feeling fancy, positioning a small mirror above one of the doors can redirect and retain the energy within the space. 6. Open the windows. To maintain a vibrant and harmonious living environment, it's essential to open windows daily, allowing fresh air and positive energy to circulate. Stale chi, be gone. But here's the trick: open those windows outward or sideways to avoid disrupting the front and rear areas. Inward opening windows might make you feel a bit timid, but do not worry, as you can throw in a bonsai or a soothing sound element beneath, and you have a confidence boost. Now, if your windows are playing hard to get and only open halfway, that's not cool, as we want flexibility and comfort here. Aesthetics matter too. Windows with picturesque views, framed like famous paintings, enhance the vitality of your living area. Like doors, windows serve as conduits for sunlight and air, influencing the connection between personal and external realms. The absence of natural light can lead to a dark and distorted worldview, underscoring the importance of well-designed windows for a positive and balanced living space. 7. Furniture does not block chi. Furniture is more than just functional pieces, it's the traffic director for positive energy. A fundamental Feng Shui principle involves ensuring that furniture placement allows the free flow of qi, the vital energy that brings positive aura to your home. To optimize Feng Shui, adhere to basic principles like avoiding furniture blocking doorways, which symbolizes blocked opportunities. Have you ever heard of the command position? It's like the VIP seat facing the door, a rule that major furniture pieces follow. Aligning the stove to avoid turning one's back to the door is crucial in the kitchen. If rearrangement is challenging, a mirror behind the stove symbolically doubles prosperity and lets you see the entrance. Furniture can also redirect energy flow. Creating conversation areas and using screens in larger rooms promotes a harmonious circulation of qi. The goal here is to make your home a sanctuary of balance and tranquility, all thanks to the right furniture moves. 8. Command position in every room of the home. Ensuring the command position in every room of your home is essential for cultivating good Feng Shui, a practice that harmonizes the energy flow within your living space. The command position involves strategically placing vital elements like the bed, desk, and stove in a way that they face the entry door without being directly in line with it. Ideally, when cooking, sleeping, or hustling at your desk, aim to be in a diagonal position from the door. It's like striking a power pose. However, if this isn't feasible, put a mirror strategically to provide a reflective view of the door. The command position isn't just about furniture, it's about empowerment as you take control of the room's energy, symbolizing power, success, and strength. By facing the door without having your back directly to it, with a solid wall for support, you establish a position of authority and mindfulness in the room. 9. Toilet seat down and bathroom door closed. Bathrooms generally have negative implications regarding Feng Shui because that is where your waste goes. But fear not, we've got 2 key moves to keep the positive vibes intact. The first move is always to keep that toilet seat down. The toilet is one of the areas to pay attention to in regards to your Feng Shui. In order to mitigate the loss of qi, keep the toilet seat closed when not in use. As a bonus, this simple habit reduces the humidity and moisture in the bathroom, maintaining mold and mildew at a minimum. The second move is to keep your bathroom door closed so that positive qi roams freely in other areas of your home. Similar to the toilet lid, the bathroom door is another way energy can travel into the bathroom and down the drain. So remember, seat down, door closed, and you've got yourself a Feng Shui friendly bathroom. 10. Mirrors reflect what you want more of. Mirrors are like energy conductors, and where you place them matters. Strategically placing mirrors across from windows captures sunlight, fostering openness and positive energy. Correcting challenging layouts, mirrors can redirect energy in long hallways or awkward corners, creating illusions of depth and preventing stagnation. In addition to their functional role, mirrors can amplify positive symbols within a space. Reflecting joy-inducing elements like artwork or plants magnifies their presence in a room. Experts say hanging mirrors in the dining room is a Feng Shui wealth move. In hallways, it's generally positive, but placement matters. Avoid end-of-hall mirrors as they're energy roadblocks. Instead, strategically place them on small staircase landings to open up the space. When placed with Feng Shui finesse, mirrors become powerful tools in shaping the energy and ambience of your home. So hang them wisely, reflect on the good stuff, and let the mirror magic unfold. 11. Lush greenery and fresh flowers. Introducing lush greenery and fresh flowers into your living space enhances aesthetic appeal and breathes life into the environment, infusing it with vital qi. Feng Shui emphasizes the significance of living plants in creating a pathway for energy flow and fostering a harmonious atmosphere. Indoor plants are considered powerful tools to channel positive energy and establish balance and tranquility within your home or outdoor area. Strategically placing plants on your balcony or garden can elevate the overall energy of your surroundings. For example, positioning a tall plant with upward growth, such as bamboo or a money tree, near the entrance can invite positive energy. Plants with round leaves, like jade plants or peace lilies, strategically placed in wealthy areas, are believed to attract abundance and prosperity. By thoughtfully weaving Feng Shui houseplants into your outdoor design, you're not just adding visual appeal, but creating an environment that pulses with positive energy and well-being. 12. Artwork depicts what you enjoy. Art is pivotal in Feng Shui, acting as a significant energy boost in interior designs. Your choice of artwork can stir up the qi energy in your home, impacting the overall energetic flow. It's important to choose art that resonates with you and that makes your heart happy. Whether it's scenes you love or abstract pieces that connect with your soul, your art choices matter. Consider choosing artwork based on the energy or qi required in a particular space. For instance, opt for soothing and sensual art in the bedroom, while vibrant and active pieces complement the energy of a living room. Maintaining balance between artwork and empty space is essential to prevent clutter. In areas symbolizing wealth and abundance, like the far left corner, selecting artwork with water elements enhances energy flow. So, choose your art wisely, let it speak to you, and watch as it becomes your home's Feng Shui energy boost. So, are you ready to transform your home into a Feng Shui haven and invite positive energy and good vibes into your life? What Feng Shui tips will you implement first? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content like this. We'll see you in the next video.